We are in a 5,000 meters factory, completely new factory, fully dedicated, designed specifically for these two different product families, battery generators and lighting towers. We designed this factory for a total capacity of 7,000 units per year. For this reason, we have two different assembly lines, one specific assembly line for the lighting towers and the other one for the battery generator. We apply all the cutting-edge technology in terms of design of the processes to be and to guarantee the quality and efficiency of the factory.
The intentions to increase our position in new market needs for the lighting towers and battery generators. So this is a very important step for the entire organization, because we have a group of people just purely dedicated in the development and manufacturing of lighting towers and battery generators, and we want to increase our strength in these market segmentations, and we will try to offer the best technology and best solution for the customers.
New technology, it's the most important thing, how adapt to the pole and connect to the pole, give the customers solution. And now this facility is one of the very good and for example for Yamaha Group. Yamaha already announced in a Green Challenge 2050. It is it's easy understand and show the customers. These solutions are here. Himoinsa, thank you very much, was prepared and show and make the product and the facility too.
Well, from a technological point of view, we are facing an amazing period. We have from one side all the companies who are really focused to reduce the carbon footprint, and also we have people who want to increase the efficiency and the consumption of the product. Because of that, Himoinsa, that is full commitment with this new technology, has set up this factory where we are producing dedicated product for this concrete market need.
One of the main pillars of this new production center is sustainability. Therefore, we have chased that the visitor get this message from the beginning of the tour in this factory. Himoinsa is compromises with sustainability and the environmental respect within the framework of the Yamaha Green Challenge. Additionally, we have dedicated an area for conversation with customer and visitor. This is the Anasaka area, where the visitors can experience the culture and philosophy that drives our corporation globally.